Hey there, folks. If you're living in Canada and need to send money back home to Sri Lanka, you're not alone. It's a common scenario for many expats and families. In this video, we'll break down the best ways to do this in 2025, focusing on what's efficient, cost-effective, and secure. Whether you're supporting family, paying for expenses, or investing, choosing the right method can save you time and money. First off, let's talk about the traditional options. Banks like RBC or TD in Canada can handle international transfers, but they often come with high fees, sometimes up to 2 to 3% per transaction, plus less favorable exchange rates. It might take 3 to 5 business days, which isn't ideal if you need the money fast. On the flip side, services like Western Union or MoneyGram offer quicker transfers, often in minutes, but their fees can be steep, especially for larger amounts, and exchange rates aren't always the best. Now, for the real winners in 2025, we're looking at digital platforms like Wise and Revolut. Wise, for example, uses the mid-market exchange rate, which means you're not losing out on hidden fees. Transfers from Canada to Sri Lanka via Wise can be done in as little as a few hours, and their fees are super transparent, usually under 1%. Revolut is another great pick if you have an account. It allows for quick, low-cost sends with built-in currency exchange tools. Both are secure, with strong encryption and regulatory compliance. When comparing all this, the best way really depends on your needs. If speed is key, go for Western Union. For the lowest costs and best rates, Wise takes the cake. Always check for any promotions or partnerships that might lower fees further. Oh, and don't forget to verify recipient details to avoid any hiccups. In conclusion, for most people sending money from Canada to Sri Lanka in 2025, I'd recommend Wise as the top choice. It's reliable, affordable, and user-friendly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on international finances. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.